that we have seen in the net that Panchayat has been established in Dimha South against the constitution, because in the constitution under article 243M and also there is another article, and under section 1 of Assam Panchayati Raj Act 1994, Panchayat cannot be established in 6th schedule area. Now it is seen that in the internet Panchayat has been established, and then practically it has been implemented. During the last Dimha South Council election, nomination papers have been submitted to the BDO. BDOs are not actually empowered to do that. It has to be submitted to the Deputy Commissioner or to the SDO. Yes, the DC, Deputy Commissioner, that is the returning officer, can authorize somebody else. However, it is usually, the power is usually delegated to the additional DC and magistrates working in the office of the DC and SDO. Therefore, we oppose this imposition of Panchayat against the constitution and against the law. If I am elected as MP, I will fight it out in the parliament to restore the autonomous council of Dimha South. Now, they will call it, as per Panchayat law, they will call it only Zila Parishad. That means district council. The word autonomous will not be there. But the word autonomous, the power we get through autonomy, only can protect the tribal people. Therefore, we still need protection, constitutional protection. Therefore, we will fight it out in the Supreme Court if I am elected as MP. And we will restore, we will work for restoration of all the powers of the 6th schedule which has been eroded. Thank you.